everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Shailaja Dhumar and I welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, children, I hope you are settled with pencil, eraser and literacy book kit. Okay, so shall we start? Shall we begin our session? Yes? Okay. Now, take your literacy skill book and come to page number 1919. Come on, open the page 1919. So children, I gave you homework, right? On that day, on the previous session, teacher gave you one homework. So I hope you have completed this homework. Yes? This is FAN fan. And what she is doing, she is running. RUN run, TAP tap, MOP mop, NIB nib, MEN main, PIN pin, CAN can. So have you matched this properly? Correctly? Okay. While doing the homework, you can take the help from your parents also. Okay, children? Now, come to page number 1818. This also we have solved, right? This is a tub. Come on, repeat after me. Tub, curb, hand, pan, tin, bus, bib, pot, mop. Very good. Hat, bed, man. Okay, now we'll say this in sentence. Okay? Say, this is a tub, this is a curb, this is a hen. Put your finger in your book. This is a pan, this is a tin, this is a bus, this is a bib, this is a pot, this is a mop, this is a hat, this is a bed, this is a man. Very good. Now come to page number 1919. Okay, have you opened this page? Yes. So children, these are the missing words. Here are some missing letters. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to recognize those pictures and we have to complete the word. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, this is also one game, right? We are playing one game. Teacher is asking you the answer. Teacher is asking you to recognize the pictures and you are recognizing very correctly, right? हम लोग एक game ही खेल रहे हैं. So are you enjoying this game, children? कौन सा गेम खेल रहे हैं? Every day teacher is teaching you. Teacher is asking you the answer. क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Teacher आपको question पूछ रहे हैं कि इस picture को क्या बोलते हैं? And हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? We are trying to recognize the picture and we are trying to complete this word with the writing of missing letters. So we are playing one game only. So are you enjoying this game, children? If not, then you have to enjoy. Okay. So now take your pencil. Now children, fill in the missing letters. Okay. So can you see these pictures? Okay, we will write the missing letters. Now, in the previous session, from this picture, many words we have learned in previous sessions. Okay, so try to remember those words, recognize those words, recall those words. Tell me, which picture is this? This is a tap, right? So, what will be the first letter of this? Tap. Yes? Right here, T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Say, this is a tap. This is a tap. Next. Can you see this boy? Yes, can you see this boy? Then, what you can see in this picture? Yes? What you can see in this picture? पूरा पानी हो गया है ना वो. So, what we call in English, in literacy, what we call in English language, what we call to this picture? जो भीगा हुआ रहता है. Okay, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं in English language? Wet. Wet. W-E-T, wet. Say, W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. Next, come to this picture. Which picture is this? Sorry. Is this a apple? Is this a orange? Is this a pineapple? Then which picture is this a tomato? I think this is a tomato, right? Or onion, it is looking like onion. Then which picture is this? Fig, very good. F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. Children, while writing, see, G मैंने कैसे लिखा है? It should be come downside, okay? Because we are writing in a small letters. This is a fig. This is a fig. Next, come to this picture. What is this? Which picture is this? Top. Top. Try to recognize the picture, okay? So what will be the spelling of top? Top. What will come? What will be the letter? I'm telling you the sound, so you have to recognize the letter. Yes, P. P for parrot. So right here, T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Come to next picture. What this man is doing? Yes, children, what this man is doing in this picture? He is doing something, right? So what he is doing? He is digging. What? He is digging. Okay, क्या कर रहा है वो? Digging का काम कर रहा है, वो खोद रहा है, right? He is doing something. So इसको बोलते हैं D-I-G, dig. D-I-G, dig. मिट्टी निकाल रहा है ना वो, नीचे जो फ्लोर है. Can you see this tree? And here he is removing some soils, right? So वो जो मिट्टी है वो निकाल रहा है. So that what he is doing, which activity he is doing digging work. Dig, D-I-G, dig. हम लोग जब प्लांटेशन करते हैं ना, तो हम लोग डिगिंग का काम करते हैं, right? So he is doing that work. D-I-G, dig. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Very nice. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. This is a box. This is a box. Now children, come to this picture. Is this a nib or pen? Pen. Very good. Right here. P. Say P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. Come to next picture. See children, what is this? Which picture is this? Is this flower? Yes. But is this complete flower? No. Is this a leaf? Here it is a leaf. But if you will see, ये जो flower complete नहीं हुआ है, तो उसके पहले की प्रोसेस है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Yes? इसको बोलते हैं bud. B-U-D, bud. What? B-U-D, bud. Okay? Write the spelling of bud. B-U-D, bud. जो फ्लावर्स है, इसके पेटल्स कंप्लीट आए हैं क्या बाहर? आपको रोज पता है, राइट? दिस इज ए रोज ओनली. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ रोज. बट हम लोग जैसे रोज फ्लावर को देखते हैं, उसके पेटल्स ऐसे बाहर आए हैं क्या? नो. तो ये क्या है? बर्ड है. दिस इज ए बर्ड, जिसको हम लोग कली बोलते हैं, कली. ओके, से दिस इज ए बर्ड. कम टू नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? नट. नट. Nut. Nut. I'm telling you the sound, so recognize the letter. Nut. T. Very nice. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. This is a nut. This is a nut. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Jug. Z. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. This is a jug. Come to next picture. Which picture is this, children? Is this a cat? Is this a rat? Is this a dog? I think this is a dog. Then no. Then which picture is this? Fox. Very nice. Right here. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. This is a fox. Fox is an animal or bird? Animal. Very nice. Come to this picture. Is this a moon or sun? Sun. Then what will be the spelling of sun? Complete the word, complete the spelling. S-U-N, sun. What? S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Yes. This is a sun. Completed, children? Now, come to page number 2020. I hope you have completed this page. Come to page number 2020. Okay? So have you opened this page, children? Come to page number 2020. Okay? Now, can you see this picture? We have to solve this practice sheet also. Okay, children? See, can you see this? Yes. Which picture is this? Crab. This is a crab. Okay. ये कहाँ होता है crab? Near the sea. So write the spelling of crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Say C-R-A-B, crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Repeat after me, everyone. C-R-A-B, crab. Come on, loudly. C-R-A-B, crab. Very nice. This is a crab. This is a crab. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? It's looking like your school. Then house. Very nice. Write the spelling of house. Come on, try to say the spelling of house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Say H-O-U-S-E. House. This is a house. This is a house. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Is this a dolphin? Then fish. Very good. Say F-I, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Right here, S-H. Say F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. This is a fish. This is a fish. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Yes? Is this a flower? Is this a bird? Then which picture is this? Tree. Very good. Write the spelling of tree. Say T-R-E-E. Already E is there. Only one time we have to write T-R-E-E. Tree. Say T-R-E-E. Tree. This is a tree. This is a tree. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? It's looking like a window or door. Door. Very nice. Write the spelling of door. D-O-O-R. Door. Say D-O-O-R. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Is this a tiger or fox? No. Tiger भी नहीं है और fox भी नहीं है. Then which picture is this? Come on, come on. L say lion. Very nice. Write the spelling of lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. This is a lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. This is a lion. Come to next picture. Which picture is this, children? Yes. Is this a me? Is this your teacher? Is this a you? Then which picture is this? Baby. Yes. Write the spelling of baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. This is a baby. This is a baby. Come to next picture. Which picture is this, children? Is this a bus? Is this a boat? Then jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. This is a jeep. This is a jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Come to this picture, children. Which picture is this? Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Say, this is a book. This is a book. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Yes, come to next picture. Is this your bench? Then which picture? Is this a sofa? This is a bed? ये bed है? No. Sofa? No. Then bench? Then which picture is this? Chair. Very nice. Write the spelling of chair. Come on, try to say what will be the spelling. C-H-A-I-R. Say C C-H-A-I-R, chair. This is a chair. This is a chair. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? See, when birthday is there, if your friend's birthday is there, or your parents' birthday is there, right? So you give something, right? What we call to that thing? We give the gift. We give them gift. So what is this? Gift. Write the spelling. G-I-F-T. Gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. This is a gift. This is a gift. Last picture, children. Which picture is this? Is this a flower or bird? Flower. Is this a bird or flower? ये कली है या पूरा फ्लावर है? पूरा बर्ड है या पूरा फ्लावर है? हम लोग कली को क्या बोलते हैं? B-U-D, bird. Right? So, is this a bird or is this a flower? Flower. Very nice. So, what is the name of this flower? Rose. Very nice. Write the spelling of rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Say R-O-S-E. Rose. This is a rose. This is a rose. Okay? So children, I hope you understand today's vocabularies also which we learned. Okay? So children, we'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.